Assalamu alaikum. Ramadan Mubarak to all of you. May Allah's blessings be upon all of us. Today in Ramadan series, I'm going to show you a special iftar snack, chicken-65. Chicken-65 is a popular, spicy, delicious and hot South Indian restaurant style boneless chicken starter. It's appetizing dish and it's perfect for iftar as a snack. So let's get started. Making this appetizing dish, I have taken boneless chicken cubes, around 250 grams. You have to cut them into bite-sized pieces. Then I have taken 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of maida or refined flour, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, salt 1.5 teaspoon or according to your taste, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a cup of curd, lemon juice 2 teaspoons, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and 2 tablespoons of corn flour, or you can take rice flour instead of maida. So these all ingredients we need for marinating the chicken. So first we start with marinating the chicken. So I have mixed all the ingredients with chicken: curd, lemon juice, ginger garlic paste, salt, garam masala, red chili powder, coriander powder, and then we will be adding maida and corn flour here too. If you don't have maida, you can use rice flour also. So here you can see we'll mix it properly, and egg also we have to add here. So basically all the ingredients we have to add here. Here you can see I'm adding maida, corn flour, and we will keep it for marination for around 2 hours. So here you can see I'll keep it aside for minimum 1 hour or up to 2 hours. Then I have taken oil after 2 hours. It's around a cup of oil, and then we have to deep fry the chicken, the marinated chicken. Make sure to add one by one pieces, one by one, and we don't have to overcrowd the pan. So we have to deep fry all the chicken pieces on medium to high flame. So here you can see it should be fried properly. It will change the color. It should be slightly crispy. So here you can see like this, it should be fried properly. Likewise we will do with all the chicken pieces. We'll fry them. I have fried all the chicken in batches, and here is the fried chicken here, as you can see. Now we will move to the final step. And for the final preparation, I have taken 3 to 4 green chilies finely chopped. Then I have taken coriander finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 7 to 8 garlic cloves finely chopped, and I have taken chili sauce. If you don't have chili sauce, you can add chilies with ketchup. That will give the same taste, and it helps in color also. I have taken chili sauce, red chili sauce. You can use ketchup and chili mix, and I am taking around a tablespoon of oil. That's what we need for this. Now I have heated up the oil and added cumin seeds and garlic cloves to it. If you have curry leaves, that also gives very good flavor. You can add curry leaves also. And green chilies you can adjust according to your taste. If you want it more hot, you can add more green chilies, or you can add more red chilies. It depends on your taste. Then I'm adding green chilies and chili sauce. So here you can see, and at this stage I'll be adding a few teaspoons of water, and then we will let it thicken. Mix it properly, and then we will add chicken to it. I have added green coriander. Then I have added fried chicken to it. We'll saute it for a few minutes till all the chicken is coated in this. Here you can see it doesn't have gravy. We don't have to keep any gravy. It's totally dry appetizer. Here you can see for around 2 to 3 minutes we have to saute it on medium to high flame until you can see all the chicken pieces are coated in this gravy, in this spice mixture. And at this stage you can check salt also, or you can add black pepper according to your taste. If you like black pepper powder, you can add that. So at this stage it's ready to be served. I'll turn off the flame. Here the appetizing, scrumptious chicken 65 is ready. Give this recipe a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Remember in duas, Allah Hafiz.